If you need help with a G sound, make sure to check out my video. I'll give you tips and tricks. You can do it! You got this! But first, we're going to work on G or G in the first part of the word in our sentences. Are you ready? Let's go! Fill up the gas can. I love gummy bears. Geese migrate every year. My goat loves treats. Can I have a piece of gum? He dressed up as a ghost. Boo! The gate is made of wood. I love my Game Boy. The gears are both working. The crown is made of gold. The girl put her hair up. Okay, now we're going to work on the G or G sound in the middle of one of the words of our sentences. Okay, we got this. I wear goggles in the pool. I have a red wagon. That joke made me giggle. I'll get a dozen bagels. The koala bear is hungry. The piglet is cute. Point with your finger. That kangaroo is fast. Hit the target. Don't forget your luggage. Okay, now the G or G sound will be the last sound in one of the words of our sentences. Let's go! Raise the flag up the pole. Put your name on the tag. Plug in the cord. Cut the log into firewood. The mug is upside down. She bought a gift bag. Please have a fig. Look at the dog bag. This is my favorite rug. I have a pink wig. You guys really did great today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work and keep practicing. I'll see you next time. Go have a great day.